Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are tackling the latest 2026 Q card. Describe a short-term job you want to do in a foreign country. You should say what the job is and where it is located, how you found out about this job, what qualifications or skills are needed, and explain why you would like to do it. Now, let's talk strategy. The absolute biggest mistake students make here is choosing a boring, low-level job like working in an office. That limits your vocabulary. If you talk about an office, you end up repeating simple words like computer, typing or answering phones. To get a band 8 or 9, you need a topic packed with descriptive, high-level words. We are going to talk about being an eco-tour guide in New Zealand. Before I read the model answer, remember your timing. In the real exam, you get exactly 1 minute to prepare and you must speak for up to 2 minutes. I am going to read this model answer where at a very deliberate, calm and natural pace, so listen closely. Read the text given on screen. Pay close attention to how I use advanced collocations and complex sentence structures. Let's start the model answer now. If I were given the opportunity to pursue a seasonal role abroad, I would absolutely love to work as an apprentice eco-tour guide in the Fiordland National Park, located in New Zealand. I first stumbled across this fascinating line of work a couple of years ago while watching a nature documentary. The program showcased how temporary guides help international visitors navigate the breathtaking fjords while educating them on local conservation efforts. The idea of trading a mundane desk job for an active outdoor lifestyle instantly sparked my interest. There are two primary reasons why this specific position appeals to me so immensely. First and foremost, it would allow me to acquire invaluable global exposure in environmental hospitality. Managing groups of diverse tourists would drastically enhance my interpersonal skills and my linguistic proficiency in high-pressure situations. Secondly, New Zealand is world-renowned for its pristine ecosystems. Working there would offer a stark contrast to my current urban routine and allow me to assimilate into a culture that deeply respects indigenous Maori heritage and land preservation. Even though it would only be a transitional job lasting perhaps 4 to 6 months, I am convinced that the physically demanding nature of guiding treks would be a transformative experience. Ultimately, it's not about the financial compensation. It's about stepping completely out of my comfort zone and gaining a global perspective that would benefit my future career. That is how you score a band 9. Notice how I avoided simple words like good or nice and instead, I layered the speech with precise, natural collocations. Let's check the list of vocabulary. Basic words, band 5, versus advanced vocabulary, band 8+. I want a temporary job. I am seeking a transitional or seasonal role. I found it by accident. I stumbled across this line of work. To get experience. To acquire invaluable global exposure. It will help my English. It will enhance my linguistic proficiency. The job is different. The job offers a stark contrast to my routine. I want to mix with locals. I want to assimilate into the local culture. It will change me. It will be a transformative experience. Let me know in comment box if you want the full list of vocabulary from this lesson to practice with. Don't forget to hit that smash like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our weekly 2026 IELTS forecasting updates. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.